welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. If you're returning, what's up fam? Good to see you. I'm having a nervous breakdown today. It's just like everything that could possibly go wrong has gone wrong, Murphy's Law, and I don't have very high expectations for this Boxyluxe because I did miss the choice date, and I feel like whenever I do that, my box is just not that great. So yeah, this is going to be an unboxing of my September Boxyluxe. If you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. Alright, so Fall Luxe is the theme. So it's the luxe that comes with a Rare Beauty product. So I got the Rare Beauty with Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm, and this is in Blessed. It seems like this is what a lot of people got as far as the Rare Beauty product, and this is what I was actually hoping to get. So here's the packaging. Oh, that's a really pretty color. Oh yeah, it's like a pink, hot pink. Very nice. Still has good pigmentation even though it's a lip balm. So this retails for $16. Alright, next is this Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara. So this retails for $26. I have so many mascaras, I'm probably going to save this for a giveaway. Oh, it has like a really flat, spiky wand. You know what? I actually might keep that for like the lower lash line because those types of wands do really well. Alright, $26, did I say that? Okay. Next is this Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. What? Okay, a soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. Okay. Place, oh, it's a moisturizer in the palm of your hand. Okay. So this retails for $57. I'm excited to, like, and Saturday Skin products usually aren't that expensive. Ooh, but this is like a radiant, oh my gosh, it really does look like whipped cream. It looks like pearlescent whipped cream. Oh, yes. Oh, that feels like silk. Oh, I am so excited to try this. I'm really, really happy about this. Is this, is it CAB or KAB Cosmetics Contour Palette Volume 1. I'm not a big contouring person. I'm more of just a bronzing person. So let me see if any of these could be used. Yeah, they definitely could. I really like that they have like a white and a banana and some like skin toned colors, as well as these look more like bronzing shades than contouring shades to me. But, well, this one kind of looks like a contouring shade. But, okay, so this retails for $60. I don't know if I should keep this or if I should put it for a giveaway. I can't be missing my choice day. No, not again. Next is this Adagio Not So Mini Flat Iron. The flat iron features 100% ceramic plates that radiate far infrared heat, helping to minimize damage to the hair. The unique floating plates design allows you to smoothly straighten and style hair. Oh, it is kind of small though. You know, I already have a good straightener, so I'm probably gonna save this for a giveaway or something. So they're trying to tell me that this is worth $99. Do I believe them? No, I do not. I am not happy with what I am seeing coming up. Like Boxyluxe, I'm supposed to be blown away. They're giving me a flat iron. Okay. Next is the new company Defense Drops. Your first line of defense against getting sick. Immune boosting liquid tincture contains a blend of adaptogenic herbs and immune modulating extracts with naturally antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Use at the first sign of a scratchy throat or sneeze to help support your body's immune system. Really? How do you use this? So it's like echinacea, rosemary. It says 1 dropper full every day. I guess it says herbal supplement, so I guess you just put it on your tongue. Oh, okay. Well, in that case, that is kind of cool. So that retails for $35. Alright, next we have the Lifestyle Co. Bamboo Body Polish. I already have a couple of body polishes, so I'm not that excited about this. It is 4 ounces and it retails for $49. And the last product is this Grayson Stella Hot and Cold Gel Bead Eye Mask. This sleep mask soothes and aids comfort to your eye area. The microwave safe beads can be heated up or cooled down in the refrigerator. When the mask is cool, it can help with tired, puffy eyes and wakes you up when you need it. Okay, so this looks kind of cool. It has like little beads in there. And I actually don't know where I did have like a mask similar to this, but I have no idea where it is. So this retails for $18. Alright, I'm not super happy with this box. I'm excited about the Rare Beauty Lip Balm, the Saturday Skin Whipped Cream. I'm kind of excited about the Defense Drop, and this is, I mean, I could have gone without it, but let me see what the retail value of this box is. I feel like from what I watched, a lot of people got better Boxyluxes. If you agree with me, let me know in the comments down below. You know, but it's going to be a high retail value because they're saying that flat iron is $100, that contour palette is $60. It's saying that's a total retail value of $360, but I don't feel, yeah, it's just definitely not one of my favorite Boxyluxes. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you in my next video.